Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's your boy Xavier. Y'all can see I'm still at my cousin's house. Y'all can see the fireworks over.
The other white one?
Some fireworks are still going over there. Okay, hear that. Downtown still getting it. If you're downtown, comment down below. If you're not downtown, just comment down below. It's okay. Y'all might see me some other places, but I'm a YouTube video. I'm kind of not on chopstick. That's my mom. That's my brother. That's my cousin. That's my other cousin. That's my other cousin. My other cousin's house. I got a few more cousins. But it's alright. Oh, I need to show y'all something. I am. That's what I'm about to do. Let's see these. Oh, shoot. It was stuck.
You know what? You don't believe shit stink. People keep telling you the fireworks was in the house.
Y'all can see those skates. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Comment down below if you think these are not baby skates. Please comment down below. Because everybody in my house, my cousins, is saying, those are baby skates. Those are baby skates.
Oh, yeah.
No, they ain't. Y'all, wait. I gotta show y'all something. Wait. Y'all can see the ground right now. Look at the Jordans.
Jordans are dirty.
Y'all see the Jordans.
Put them in the trunk.
Huh? Where's the trunk? Now, my Jordans and let's put my skates in the trunk. Got my skates in the trunk.
We're going to do what we do when we put the church. It's no cops not going. I mean, I can get it tomorrow. Mama just had to bring it.
It's me. Still here because my cousin don't like these lights. But I'm going to end the video. See you tomorrow. I see you after when my mom got off work. Bye. And y'all can see my cousin. Should I say gang gang?
Did you get my toy?
My bird just being my cousin's. And look at my cousin Vans. If you got those Vans, comment down below. If you got my Jordans, comment down below. Bye. See y'all after my mommy job. Okay. Bye.